In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change controls and key bindings here in Fall Guys. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Start off on the main menu and you're going to want to hit options, and then from here, go ahead and select wireless controller if you're using a controller, or select keyboard if you're on PC or using a keyboard and mouse. From here you can scroll down to either controller bindings or key bindings, and you're going to see a whole section that looks like this that's going to show you all of the default controls. For example, on a mouse and keyboard, space is jump, dive is going to be control, shift is going to be grab, and of course your emotes are going to be the number keys, just like so. You can scroll through this list to see every single action, but to change a control, just highlight the one that you want to do. For example, the skip one right here. Go ahead and select it, and then of course go ahead and bind it to whatever button you press. For example, like I could highlight this and then I could change it to, I don't know, left alt for whatever reason, right? And this works the exact same on console and PC. You just gotta click and change whatever action you want. And if you ever want to reset, there's a whole reset button down at the very bottom, just like so. It really is as simple as that though. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.